Today we're going to install battery on the 2012 Volkswagen Passat 2.5. Alright, let's go ahead and pick up the battery and put it into the battery bay. And let's go ahead and remove these covers. Place the positive terminal first, then the negative. And let's go ahead and tie them down. The tools you're going to be needing will be a 10mm socket and a 13mm socket to tie down the battery clamp with an extension. So let's go ahead and tie up the positive and the negative. Alright, after you have both clamps secured, let's go ahead and grab the battery clamp. And this goes back here behind the battery, right in there. So let's go ahead and try to put it in there. And just go ahead and secure it down. The battery's tight, and you're done. And that is how you install a battery on the 2012 Volkswagen Passat. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.